Rasberry Point Oyster Company is looking for its own weather and water quality monitoring system, as governing bodies such as CFIA and DFO are closing their waters, which is preventing the retrieval of oysters. They would like to be able to prevent shutting down unnecessarily when distant stations reveal parameters that are different than the ones at Rasberry Point's oyster holding bay. The scope of this project is including real-time and historical data monitoring, contamination alerts, and an integration of the system into their current retrieval process.
The buoy was fabricated using a 6061 aluminum flanged tube for its resistance to corrosion in saltwater environments. The hexagonal aluminum float provides buoyancy and stability for the buoy, and the electronics and sensors which collect their data are securely housed within the buoy tube, keeping them safe and dry, allowing the buoy to communicate wirelessly with our app.
This is the electronic holder that sits inside the buoy. This structure has all the necessary electronic components to power and collect data on the buoy. Sensors are fastened on the bottom flange of the buoy, which is then protected by an aluminum ring. To power the system, a 9 amp-hour battery is used, which is then charged by 2 solar panels. All the sensors are connected to their respective transducer board, which then feeds the signal to a custom-made PCB board. The PCB board communicates the data to the app using a LoRa communication transmitter to an onshore LoRa communication receiver.
To display all of the data collected by the buoy, a mobile app has been developed. This app is capable of displaying all of the current real-time data with colored cards shown behind each parameter, indicating whether the data is currently within the acceptable range. The historical data is also accessible from this app in the form of a graph. The parameter and time period being investigated are easily chosen from drop-down menus directly above the graphs.
Tests were performed to ensure that the design meets all requirements. The 4 tests were sensor accuracy, data communication, waterproof, and buoyancy testing. The video you see now was footage taken at our buoyancy test, which was done at the Bell Alliant pool. Come see Sabrina and the team on April 22nd at the FSDE, where she will be painted bright pink and sure to make a big splash at Expo.